Hey guys, Rich Pacine here, your YouTube vlog creator. I got a quick video I want to share with you guys, and it pertains to copycats. Mr. B says copycats will not succeed. Check this out. It's from Business Insider, and I will drop the link for you guys to read at your own leisure, okay? I'm going to keep this video very short, so I hope you guys can stick around. Anyway, let me do a mouse scroll here, and as you can see the title here, Mr. B says his copycats won't succeed, experts agree. Okay, now if you get a chance, read this. They say that particular part's a 4-minute read. You got to hit the little arrow there, and it'll show you these potential successful YouTubers. Well, they're you already. But over here, what it says over here, what's coming up. And one thing I want to highlight right here with this here, as it comes up here, I don't want to move it too quick here. Right over here, I want to stop it. Okay. See where it says over here? It says Mr. Beast has criticized copycat creators for lacking originality, relying on his formula. Copying Mr. Beast's content misses what drives his success, and knockoffs probably won't succeed. Experts agree that a unique voice is vital for longevity and content creation. Okay? Then it goes on to say Mr. Beast is the most successful YouTuber of all time, but copying him is isn't likely to yield the same results. I said that before in many of my other videos, and this goes out to the new YouTubers out there. You know, there's 5 things I'm going to leave with you guys. I'm not going to get into this here. The whole purpose of this video is to bring this out to you guys so you can read it and get a little more into it. Okay, what he's talking about here. There's other links there, there's hyperlinks and stuff like that. You can check it out. I didn't get a chance to check all of it out, but this part here really hit me, because I always say this, not always, but in my videos, when it comes to starting a YouTube channel, creating a YouTube channel, there's 5 things I tell people. Very simple, you know. I don't know. I don't think I made it up, but this is what I always come up with when it comes to making videos. 5 things, 5 steps. Keep it real, keep it original, let your channel grow organically, and don't forget good thumbnails and titles. Do those 5 things and you should be good to go, guys. Okay? But as far as copying this gentleman here and thinking that, well, if I copy his successful videos and stuff like that, it's gonna wear off on me. No, you see what he says? Mr. Beast has criticized copycat creators for lacking originality and relying on his formula. Be yourself. Put out the original content there. Wherever it may be. We all have talents and passions to share. So why sit there trying to copy it for somebody? You know what I'm saying? So, do the right thing. Come and be original. YouTube loves originality. So, copying off of people is not going to do anything. You're not going to get the same results copying off of Mr. Beast. Just because he's successful. Yeah, I think he's pushing 262 million subscribers and then some. It's still growing. That's good. He made it. He got to that success, and kudos to him. But as me too, as a small YouTuber, I don't copy other people's, originality. As far as, like I said, he did his own thing, and like I said, what works for him may not work for you. So if you get a chance, just check this out, okay, guys? That's all I have for you right now. I will drop the link. If you want to read more into it, it'd be great. If you like this video or any of my other videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated to when I post new videos, please hit the bell notification icon. This is Rich Pacine signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.